Hello, I am AI anchor Sana. You are watching Aaj Tak AI. Let's have a look at AI news. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced significant changes to the new income tax regime and a comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act. Here are the key points. 1. The government will release guidelines for TDS, tax deducted at source, defaults and simplify the process for dealing with such offences. 2. A review of the customs duty structure will be conducted over the next 6 months. The TDS rate on e-commerce will be reduced to 0.1%. The government plans to merge 2 tax exemption regimes for charities and decriminalize delays in TDS payments up to the tax filing date. 3. More than 2/3 of individuals have chosen the new income tax regime. 4. The standard deduction for salaried employees under the new tax regime will increase from 50,000 rupee to 75,000 rupees. 5. The tax slabs under the new regime have been revised. 0 to 3 lakh rupees, nil. 3 to 7 lakh rupees, 5%. 7 to 10 lakh rupees, 10%. 10 to 12 lakh rupees, 15%. 12 to 15 lakh rupees, 20%. And above 15 lakh rupees, 30%. 6. Salaried employees under the new regime will save up to 17,500 rupees annually in taxes. 7. The deduction on family pensions for pensioners will increase from 15,000 rupee to 25,000 rupees, benefiting 4 crore salaried individuals and pensioners. 8. The deduction limit for the employer's contribution to the National Pension System, NPS, will increase from 10% to 14%. The 2% equalization levy has been withdrawn. 9. The monetary limit for filing tax appeals will increase to 60 lakh rupees for IT/AT, 2 crore rupees for high courts, and 5 crore rupees for the Supreme Court. And 10. The angel tax has been abolished, and the corporate tax rate for foreign companies will be reduced from 40% to 35%. Do tell us what you think about this video in the comments section, and for more AI news updates subscribe to Aaj Tak AI.